tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Right now, right now. Right now, right now. Right now, right now. Right now, right now. Got a real good feeling. Got a real good feeling. Like there is lightning deep in my bones. Got a real good feeling. I won't hit no ceiling. I'm going higher than I've ever known. Got a real good feeling. This place is jumping off hard as it can get. No, we won't ever stop dancing on the edge. We like it dangerous, we like to see you split. Turn up another notch, you ain't seen nothing yet. Let me tell you something. 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 Right now, right now. Right now, right now. Right now, right now. Right now, right now. Got a real good feeling. Got a real good feeling. Like there is lightning deep in my bones. Got a real good feeling. I won't hit no ceiling. I'm going higher than I've ever known. Yeah, I got a real good feeling. I won't hit no ceiling. Like there is lightning deep in my bones. Got a real good feeling. I won't hit no ceiling. I'm going higher than I've ever known. Got a real good feeling. Right now, right now. 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 Oh, I got a real good feeling. Got a real good feeling. Like there is lightning deep in my bones. Yeah, I got a real good feeling. I won't hit no ceiling. I'm going higher than I've ever known. Yeah, I got a real good feeling. Got a real good feeling. Like there is lightning deep in my bones. Yeah, I got a real good feeling. I won't hit no ceiling. I'm going higher than I've ever known. I got a real good feeling.
Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, we are going to be doing some technical analysis and a longer-term price prediction on Chainlink. If you don't know what Chainlink is, it's an altcoin that I've been following lately. It resides on the Ethereum blockchain, and it helps to expand smart contract capabilities over there. In this video and in this stream, we are going to be breaking down exactly how Chainlink's chart looks and where Chainlink might be going next. I am joined, as always, by my producer and, in this show, my co-host, Smaes. How you doing, Smaes?
Hi, everybody. My
is a
mic's
pleasure to
working
see you.
again.
Your mic's working.
It's actually, it wasn't like broken or anything. I just, it needed to be reset.
He goes through mics like once a week. It's crazy.
Dang.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. He's literally never broken a microphone. Smaes does a great job.
I've never broken anything.
That's true. You broke my heart one time, but that's neither here nor there. We'll talk
But
about that off
you
camera.
break my heart every day.
Well, how? How can I do that every single day?
I don't, just sometimes I look at you and I think, man, I want to be Jeb. And then it breaks my heart.
Oh, I feel bad now.
Yep.
Oh, that's a sad start to the stream, guys.
Sometimes I feel like you don't give me enough attention.
Okay, Smaes, next 15 seconds yours. What you got for us? What do you think about Chainlink?
Well, no, I don't mean that kind of attention. I mean like
What do you think about Chainlink?
I think I don't know much
That's
about
why I
it.
don't give you more attention. All right,
I
we're
meant
gonna go
attention from you.
What?
I'm talking about from you.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess I can understand
I'll
that.
keep that off the channel. I'm sorry, guys.
He is indeed the Turtle King. And Geoffrey Fritz, you just asked a very important question. Turtle King. And I'll let the Turtle King, Smaes, himself answer this. Turtle King, can we get a members-only channel on Discord?
Yeah. I mean, I think we can arrange something like that.
Can you talk to Tim about that? Because I do want to get that set up.
Yeah. I can
I've been wanting to get that set up for a while. I'm going to make sure that our team gets on that because I would love for that to happen. I can't tell you when it's going to come out because we got a lot of work going on behind the scenes already, but we do want to
hold
do
on.
that.
Actually, I do need to make it say this, guys.
Let's hear it.
I will do that only under one condition.
Ooh.
That every single YouTube member goes on the members post that I posted and fill out that form. If you do not fill out that form, you're going to be in bad trouble because that form is how we're going to deliver your perks to you. So please, 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 please go fill out that form.
And where do we find that form, Smaes?
It is on, if you go to our YouTube channel, click community tab. If you are a member, it'll pop up. If you're not a member, it won't.
Good deal. All right, guys. Well, with that said, we're going to go ahead and dive on into some Link. This is going to be a relatively short stream because we're just doing some Link technical analysis. You guys have been wanting it, and we're here to deliver. Let's look at Link US dollars on the daily chart. One of the first things that you're going to notice on Link is the fact that its MACD is pretty bearish. We've been moving to the downside lately, and the reason for that is because Link has been trading sideways. But there is some good news for the Link army out there. What do the Link people call themselves? Yeah, I think it's the Link army. The Link army, I'm probably butchering that. The community around Link is very excited right now because of this bullish RSI divergence. You guys know that I like to look at the RSI. RSI divergence, one of the most powerful trends and chart formations that you are going to find on your charts to tell you where the market is heading next. This is a bullish sign for Link. Another thing to point out is that we do have higher highs here on the daily chart. And if we take a look at our VPVR, we're going to find there's actually quite a bit of support beneath us here on Link USD. There's quite a bit right beneath us in between $20 and $25, but then there's also an absolute load of support right here between $10 and $20. So the Link army out there is very excited about that. Another thing to take a look at here are our moving averages. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the one that I really want to show you, which is the 50 simple moving average here on the daily chart. Right now, Link is riding the 50 daily simple moving average, and we are getting support on it. So that's a very good sign. We definitely want to keep an eye on that. But another thing to look at here is the 20 exponential moving average, which Link is currently attempting to stay above. We're trying to bounce off of the 20 exponential moving average on the daily chart right now, sitting at around $28 over here on Chainlink. And if it does manage to get back up above that level and stay above it, then we could expect this uptrend to continue. Taking a look at Lux Algo here, we're going to see that there was a short-term sell signal right here, and then very quickly it got recovered by a strong buy signal. So this strong buy signal is still in effect, and we have not seen a lot of bullishness come out of this just yet, but normally you do see that happen from Lux Algo buy signals. By the way, if you guys haven't signed up for Lux Algo, it's one of my favorite indicators. I use it literally every single day to help bring this content to you. Make sure to check it out. Links in the description. We have our own coupon code, JEB, for 20% off if you are interested. Links down below this video. But Lux Algo says we are strong right now on the daily chart. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it says down here on the 4-hourly and the hourly. Here on the 4-hourly, we do have a sell signal coming out of Lux Algo. And I think that actually makes sense because on the 4-hourly chart, right now, Chainlink is hovering above this uptrending level of support. I think, personally, that Chainlink is going to come down and test the support level. Where is that? It's around $26. Link is sitting at $28 right now. And I have a couple of other reasons for believing that. Number one, there is a bearish MACD cross that took place just a few hours ago. In fact, it was noon yesterday, so a little over 24 hours ago, about 26 hours ago, we saw that bearish MACD cross. But the good news is here, the divergence on the MACD is starting to slow down. So we could start to see convergence on the MACD relatively soon. If so, that would be a very bullish thing for the cryptocurrency that is known as Chainlink. Now, one of the things I do want to show you is that if we manage to bounce above $26.20 anywhere in this territory, then what that's going to do is it's going to create a higher high on the price action chart, but it would likely create a lower low on our RSI. What does that mean? It means that we would see that coveted bullish RSI divergence not only on the daily chart, but also down here on the 4-hourly chart, guys. So that's really, really important. If Chainlink manages to bottom out here at a prime level like $26.50 or $27, sets a higher high on the price action chart and a lower high on, a higher low on the price action chart and a lower low on the RSI, then we will see that movement to the upside. Looking here at the Bollinger Bands, we can see that we moved from the very top of the Bollinger Bands to the very bottom of the Bollinger Bands in a very rapid fashion. So that does indicate that we are getting into overextended territory to the south side. That means that we have corrected a little bit too far, and maybe we need to calm down a little bit. I don't think we're done with that correction like we saw with that Lux Algo sell signal. We probably have a little bit of ways to go just yet. Looking at our volume, we're going to see that volume is actually doing pretty well here, and that makes a lot of sense because looking at Chainlink over on CoinMarketCap, there is quite a bit of volume going on. The volume's down a little bit right now as the price is, but in general, we're still seeing $1.5 billion of daily market volume over on Chainlink. It's number 14 on CoinMarketCap, and personally, based on its fundamentals, which I will go into here in a little bit, it seems to warrant that. By the way, if you guys are liking this stream, make sure to smash that like button. It really helps out the show. If you're enjoying #AltcoinsAnonymous, make sure to also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We are the #1 cryptocurrency channel to bring you analysis on your favorite cryptocurrencies and now altcoins, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I believe that because of Chainlink's technicals, we're going to see a short-term correction to somewhere between $26 and $27. I think we are close to that short-term bottom that's going to show up on the 4-hourly chart, but I think that that bottom is going to end up causing a spring and a bounce and a movement to the upside. Why? Because of things like this bullish MACD cross that almost happened on the daily chart. Why? Because of the bullish Lux Algo strong buy signal that we saw on the 1st of September that has really yet to be fulfilled. We saw some massive bullishness before this big drop that we saw last Tuesday. And when we did see that big drop, Chainlink lost some of its upwards momentum. It lost the degree of the uptrend, but not for any good reason. Frankly, it was in a big uptrend and for good reason. I think before the Tuesday dump that Bitcoin got manipulated into, I think Chainlink was on its way back up to all-time high around 50. So I'm pretty bullish on Chainlink right now. I really don't have a good reason to be bearish on it. I'm looking for a reason because, as I always say, I want to bring you guys both sides of the story, the bullish and the bearish. But I'm going to be honest with you guys right now, I don't see a whole lot of reasons, technically speaking, to be bearish on Chainlink. I am quite bullish on this project, in fact. So let's go to full screen really quickly, and I'm going to read some comments over in chat, see if we have any super chats or anything like that. And I want to hear what you think. What do you think about Chainlink? I think a short-term correction, another dollar or two, is very much in the cards just because we have very strong support right beneath us, and historically the market would come down and test that, but I think that it is going to end up going into a pretty big uptrend over the next couple of weeks. I do think an all-time high run is in the cards, especially with the success that we're seeing over on Ethereum and Cardano, of which it is very much affiliated with. View on Brews said, liked and subbed. Thank you very much, guys. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. The link, I bought it $29, is not going to like this. That's true, Marcus. I think that you're going to recover that entry relatively quickly. I don't think you're going to have a problem recovering that personally. Let's go ahead and look at all of this. Let's see here.
Link fan equals Link Marines, not Link
Link
Army,
Marines. Thank you.
goose.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I knew I was getting that wrong. Link Marines. It's the hashtag Link Marines out there. What are you seeing on the chat, Smaes? Do you have any? You see anything interesting?
I'm seeing the fact that Link is an interesting coin.
There we go. That's a great one. That's some great analysis. Really quickly here, guys, I want to hear what your opinion is on Link by the end of the year. Where do you think Chainlink is going? Do you think it's going to $200? Do you think it's going to $50? Where do you think it's going? I hear a lot of interesting price predictions on. I'd love to hear what you think that is. Lee Jacobson said, Jeb, your channel is the best out there. Lee, I am very blessed to be in the seat that I am in, and I'm thankful to the Lord above every single day for that. And guys, the reason that we come here and bring you this content every single day, because we work really, really hard on camera and off camera to bring you this content. The reason that we do this is because we want to see you achieve financial freedom. We want to see you achieve your purpose in life, and we want to see you become free. We want to see you succeed. That's why we're here. That's why we come at you with integrity and humility as core values so that we can help you to grow in what you are looking for. So make sure to check that out if you haven't already. What is that? It's called the like button. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.
I just want to say, as the most recent winner of the HODL Trophy.
It's true.
It does mean that I am, in fact, a price prediction savant. I'm very good at it.
It's true.
And I have to give the thanks, obviously, first and foremost to the Turtles, because they do help. I do consult them every night.
That's true.
But I will say, so my official end-of-the-year price prediction for Chainlink is that it will go up. That is I think that we'll probably see it going up by about 30 to 40% by the end of the year, and that is my official. Again, I am the most recent winner, and just so you know,
that's true, he is.
Just so you know, that one makes my predictions infallible. But two, what I do need to say to you guys is the fact that if I win one more week, this next week, then I get to open the trophy. So do give me some support. Support my price predictions because they are, in fact, the best price predictions in this channel.
Awesome.
But I just want to say that. So
Smaes is the Turtle King. Make sure to smash that like button for Smaes. Really quickly, I want to jump on to Chainlink's website. In case you don't know what Link is, I'm going to give you about a 5-minute rundown and read straight from their site on this. The website is chain.link, and you can see right here that it says, securely connect smart contracts with off-chain data and services. Chainlink decentralized Oracle networks provide tamper-proof inputs, outputs, and computations to support advanced smart contracts contracts on any blockchain. You can see right here that it's talking about bringing in different data like market data, weather data, sports data, keepers, randomness, and any other API. It's a way of connecting different things. Highly secure and flexible infrastructure. It is reliable and tamper-proof on its network. It has a seamless connection to any API. It's proven, ready-made uses, and secure off-chain computation. But right here is the quote that I really want to read here that kind of summarizes all of it. Chainlink greatly expands the capabilities of smart contracts by enabling access to real-world data and off-chain computation while maintaining the security and reliability guarantees inherent to blockchain technology. So the reason that Chainlink is such a good project, in my opinion, is one, it has done a very good job executing on what it set out to do, which is more than you can say for 99% of cryptocurrencies. But two, what it is doing is it's helping to bring together the cryptocurrency space in an interoperable fashion. We've talked about on this show before how Polkadot is helping to bring together layer 1 solutions like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and others, and making them able to communicate with each other. Well, Chainlink is helping these same protocols to, one, be able to communicate with each other, but two, to be able to interoperate with smart contracts and to bring in external data so that everything developers want to do on blockchain technology is able to be done through the services that Chainlink provides. So Chainlink is part of the master plan, if you will, the decentralized master plan for bringing about Internet 3.0 and building the future of the internet on the blockchain. Chainlink is part of what is going to drive that future movement. So it's a really great project, in my opinion, and I think it is something that you should consider getting some of. I am more than likely going to be buying some Chainlink and adding it to my portfolio after all of the research that I've been doing on it. So I want to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section. Really quickly, we're going to read some chat, and then we're going to wrap it out here. What do we see in chat, Smaes?
Listen here, guys. I'm not a bear, okay? I'm a realist. I am a... when I say I'm a turtle, I'm not meaning literally that I'm the king of turtles. What I'm saying is
you are literally the king of turtles.
Well, yes, but what I'm also saying, it's a metaphor for a different faction. Everyone either says bearish or bullish, right? I'm turtleish, which turtleish means that I'm real about the price. I know where the price is going every single time. So I'm not being bearish about the price. I'm just telling you where the turtles are thinking the price is going, okay? That's all I have to say.
Fair enough. Matt C. donated $10. He said, Smay for the win. Thanks, guys, for another great week of content. You're helping so many people improve their lives. Have a great weekend. Matt C., very much appreciate that super chat and all of the support that you have shown us. I really do appreciate that.
I have a confession to make, actually. Guys, I don't know much about Chainlink. That's why I'm being like this. But from what it sounds like a good project. Wouldn't you agree, Jeb?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's a great project. And somebody, Bulletproof Dean said, are you enjoying looking at altcoins, Jeb? I am. As you know, I am far from the resident expert on altcoins. We're going to be bringing on Altcoin Daily in the future onto this show to get his opinion on some of these, but I'm learning, and that's the point of this show. I actually started this show, not even so much for your sake, but also for my sake. I started the show so that I could have a reason to learn more about altcoins and show it to you. So I'm learning along with you.
So I would say, what do you think is the long term, I mean, beyond end of year, like what do you think, do you see this being the cryptocurrency of its type that's going to take off, or do you think that there'll be another one that kind of takes this over? How important do you think this is for the adoption of crypto?
And how it is built and how it is working with the smart contracts ecosystem, I personally don't know of any competitors that are larger than it. I think it's the largest in what it is trying to do right now. And like I said, guys, I'm hands up, fully transparent about this. I am technically at this point an expert on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I am technically an expert in technical analysis. I am not in any way, shape, or form an expert on Chainlink or altcoin, so we're learning. So I can't answer that with a lot of confidence. I do want to make sure that's clear. As far as what I have studied and what I do know, Chainlink does seem to be the best in its class at what it does. And long term, if it's best in class at what it does and cryptocurrency is going to 100x like I think it's going to, I think Chainlink very much can do that. With all of that in mind, this is a very, very rough prediction, guys, and I don't want you putting a lot of stock in this. I do think Chainlink will 10 or 20 or 30x based on the research that I've done over the next 5 to 10 years, just because as the water level rises, all ships are going to rise at the same time. And Chainlink is one of those ships that is going to help to build the future of the blockchain ecosystem. So, like I said, I can't give you a ton of specifics because I haven't been able to study all of the specifics. And I want to be as open and honest with you guys as possible because, as I said, 2 of our core values here are integrity and humility. So I'm never going to claim to know something that I don't. But what I can tell you is this. What I do know about Chainlink, it is a very great project, and it is something that I think has a lot of success lined up for it, and I think we're going to see a lot of bullishness on it in the coming future. So, Smay, let's read the last couple of messages from chat. And then
we have a super chat here from Emmanuel Porsche, and he says, Smaes should put his money where his mouth is. And I don't even know what you're talking about because I literally do put my money where my mouth is. Everything I say I like, I'm invested in. So I don't know what else you want to say.
Did I say I'm technically a technical expert? What I meant to say is I'm technically a technical analysis expert after doing it every single day for 4 years.
Technicals expert.
Technically, I'm a technical expert. That's a weird statement.
You don't even say technically. You are.
No, I am. That's true. I just... yeah.
I was going to say, look, I do put my money on. What's making you think that I'm not putting my money where my mouth is? Unless you're saying that you should think I should buy Chainlink. And my problem with that is I need to check if it's on Coinbase because I exclusively use Coinbase.
I think I actually already own some Chainlink. Anyway, guys, we're going to talk more about my portfolio in coming weeks, and we also have some great content lined up for you over the weekend. So if you guys are enjoying today's show, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We got some great content coming out for you over the weekend, and you're not going to want to miss it. I'm going to be detailing in tomorrow's video. That will go up at 9:30, the same time Coffee and Crypto goes live every single weekday. I'm going to be explaining to you why I personally believe cryptocurrency is going to a $200 trillion market cap. We're going to see $1 million Bitcoin, a $50,000 Ethereum, and a $200 Cardano. So stay tuned for that video. It's going to knock your socks off, and you're not going to want to miss it.
Sorry, I immediately want to respond. I do have Chili's. I have Chili's.
Boom sauce.
You guys want to know my portfolio? Actually, I think this will be neat. Real quick before we close, I do want to give somebody a sneak peek on my portfolio because everyone seems to think I don't buy what I say I'm going to buy. So I have. Let's see here. I have my biggest holding is Polkadot, actually. I have my biggest holding is Polkadot, then it's Bitcoin, Cardano, Chili's, and Dogecoin.
Let's go.
So
you have Dogecoin? How much?
Yeah, I have like $10 of Dogecoin.
$10 of Dogecoin.
It's barely a holding, but it's there. So
well, there you go, guys. Now you know Smaes' portfolio, guys. That's all I got for you today. If you enjoyed today's content, smash that like and subscribe button. Make sure to follow us on our social medias. You can find the links for those down below. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.